Cornrows for natural hair are more than just a hairstyle. They are a powerful expression of culture, identity, beauty, creativity, and self-love that has existed for thousands of years and continues to inspire generations across the world. Originating in ancient Africa, where braided hairstyles symbolized tribal affiliation, social status, age, spirituality, and even life milestones, with each braid pattern telling a unique story passed down through generations as a form of cultural communication and artistic tradition. Cornrows were not only decorative but also practical, helping to protect natural hair from harsh environmental conditions such as heat, dryness, and dust while keeping hair neat, manageable, and healthy, and this protective function remains one of the main reasons cornrows are still popular today. For individuals with natural hair, cornrows provide an excellent protective style that reduces breakage, prevents tangling, supports moisture retention, promotes length retention, and allows hair to rest from daily manipulation, heat styling, and chemical treatments, making them ideal for maintaining healthy hair growth. Cornrows are incredibly versatile and can be styled in countless ways, including straight-back cornrows, zigzag patterns, curved designs, feed-in braids, stitch braids, crown braids, tribal-inspired patterns, cornrow buns, cornrow ponytails, half-up, half-down styles, and creative artistic designs that transform hair into a canvas for personal expression. Modern cornrow trends blend traditional African-inspired patterns with contemporary fashion influences, incorporating accessories such as beads, cuffs, rings, colored threads, ribbons, and extensions to create bold, stylish, and eye-catching looks that suit casual wear, formal events, cultural celebrations, and everyday life. Cornrows are suitable for all ages, from children to adults, and they offer a low-maintenance hairstyle option that saves time while still looking polished and stylish, making them especially popular among busy individuals who want a long-lasting protective style without constant styling effort. The process of installing cornrows involves sectioning natural hair into clean parts, applying moisturizer or styling product, and carefully braiding the hair close to the scalp in neat, even rows, requiring skill, patience, and attention to detail to achieve smooth, long-lasting results, and the bonding experience of having hair braided often reflects the communal and cultural roots of the style. Proper care and maintenance are essential to keep cornrows looking fresh and to protect natural hair underneath, including moisturizing the scalp regularly, wearing a satin or silk bonnet at night to reduce friction, avoiding excessive tension that can cause hairline damage, gently cleansing the scalp, and not leaving cornrows installed for too long to prevent matting or breakage. Cornrows also hold deep emotional and symbolic meaning, representing pride in natural hair, resistance against beauty standards that once discouraged natural textures, and empowerment through cultural authenticity, serving as a statement of confidence, heritage, and individuality in a world that is increasingly embracing diversity and natural beauty. Celebrities, fashion icons, athletes, and artists have helped popularize cornrows globally, bringing them onto runways, music videos, red carpets, and social media platforms, where cornrows are celebrated as both a fashion statement and a tribute to their cultural roots. Beyond style, cornrows play an educational role by encouraging younger generations to appreciate their heritage, learn hair care practices, and embrace their natural hair texture with pride, reinforcing positive self-image and cultural awareness. Cornrows also offer flexibility in length and thickness, allowing wearers to choose between simple, minimal designs or bold, dramatic patterns depending on their personal preference, face shape, and lifestyle, while also providing an excellent foundation for wigs, updos, and other styling options. Despite their long history, cornrows continue to evolve, adapting to modern beauty trends while preserving their traditional essence, proving that natural hairstyles can remain relevant, fashionable, and meaningful across centuries. Ultimately, cornrows for natural hair represent more than a protective style. They embody heritage, artistry, resilience, creativity, and self-expression, reminding us that hair is not just a physical feature but a powerful symbol of identity, culture, and confidence. And by choosing cornrows, individuals celebrate both their natural beauty and the rich cultural history that continues to shape the world of natural hair today. Cornrows for natural hair are one of the most iconic, meaningful, and Enduring hairstyles in history, representing not only beauty and creativity, but also deep cultural heritage, identity, resilience, and pride that stretches back thousands of years to ancient African civilizations, where braided patterns were used to communicate tribe, age, family lineage, marital status, social rank, and spiritual beliefs, transforming hair into a living storybook of culture and tradition. These intricate braided styles were created by skilled hands and passed down through generations, often during bonding moments where elders braided younger family members' hair while sharing wisdom, stories, and community values, reinforcing cornrows as both an artistic practice and a powerful cultural ritual. Beyond their cultural roots, cornrows have always served a practical purpose by protecting natural hair from environmental stress, dryness, heat, and breakage, while keeping hair organized, manageable, and healthy, making them one of the most effective protective hairstyles for textured and natural hair types. For people embracing their natural hair journey, cornrows provide a low-maintenance yet highly stylish option that supports hair growth, minimizes daily manipulation, reduces tangling, preserves moisture, and helps retain length by shielding strands from damage caused by heat styling, overcombing, and chemical processing. Cornrows are remarkably versatile, offering endless styling possibilities that range from classic straight-back rows and simple scalp braids to complex geometric designs, curved patterns, zigzag parts, stitch braids, tribal-inspired motifs, feed-in braids for a seamless look, cornrow buns, braided ponytails, half-up styles, crown braids, side-swept cornrows, and creative artistic patterns that transform the scalp into a canvas for bold self-expression. Modern cornrow trends merge traditional African braid techniques with contemporary fashion influences, incorporating beads, metallic cuffs, hair rings, colored threads, ribbons, extensions, and creative parting designs to produce stunning looks suitable for everyday wear, professional settings, cultural events, weddings, festivals, and red carpet occasions, demonstrating how cornrows can be both timeless and trend-setting. Cornrows also carry strong emotional and symbolic meaning, representing pride in natural beauty, resistance to Eurocentric beauty standards, empowerment through cultural authenticity, and confidence in embracing one's roots, especially during historical periods when natural hair was discouraged or marginalized, making cornrows a statement of identity, freedom, and self-acceptance. The process of installing cornrows requires skill, patience, precision, and creativity, involving careful sectioning of hair, proper moisturizing, smooth parting, consistent tension control, and neat braiding close to the scalp to achieve long-lasting, clean, and comfortable results, while also highlighting the artistry and craftsmanship of experienced braiders. Maintaining cornrows properly is essential to preserve both the hairstyle and the health of natural hair, including moisturizing the scalp with oils or leave-in products, cleansing gently without disturbing braids, avoiding excessive tension that can cause hairline damage or traction alopecia,